If you dey smoke shisha and they talk say if you smoke shisha for like 60 minutes, that is 1 hour, it means say you don't smoke up to 40 to 400 cigar.
Wait, bros. 1 hour of shisha.
You dey for that place, you just dey dance, you dey take am inside, they do am, they
Sometimes food now they give man job, but like the feeling is different.
Correct.
You dey pop up.
You dey puff am, dey go.
Pass.
You dey collect like 40 to 400 cigarettes
plenty
inside your body. So no let anybody deceive you. Say because you take shisha and it is in water, it has flavor. It is as bad and as dangerous, wicked as cigar.
Bros, I just get one question first because we'll put the full line for people who be say get cigar centric question, tobacco centric question. Because today night don't touch shisha. Now what happen to people when they take snuff, for instance? Do we have a problem? Make I know say you not just like any of us. Make I know now.
I go talk am as he say make I talk am. As you hail me when I enter this morning, my body con ginger.
Oh boy.
Now say let me talk it.
Reason us.
So whether you take snuff, as long as say it contain tobacco, and you put it inside your body, the danger of tobacco, it don't enter your body.
But it's natural, na God create am.
Okay. I hear you. This petrol is not natural. You dey drink am. Okay. So the health benefits when you stop to smoke, wetin be the health benefit? Quick. If you stop to smoke within 1 hour, 1 day, you stop, your blood pressure, your heart rate, and the way blood dey flow around your body go improve. That is 1 day. Then for 2 days, if you can't stop for 2 days, all those dirty way smoke they put for your body, they go come out and the smell go come out for your body. If you can't stay for 1 month to 3 months, your lungs go improve by 30%. If you can't stay away for like 10 years, the chance say you go get lung cancer don't reduce by 50 to 60%. Nothing the way you go drink, where they sell for social media. Say if you drink it go clear your lungs.
Go clear one thing.
Nah, lie you rock po.
Lori rock.
Nothing like that.
Not like that. They.
Okay, people carry question can't give you. It's our WhatsApp 08095975808. This one can say, okay, good morning. What are people where they make soda water? They use until they flush. I just want to know whether not they use soda water until they flush. When you don't smoke now, say there's a club soda water now they cleanse your.
Say we as Africans, so they like look for shortcuts, corner to justify and help us feel at home. Say wetin we dey do go help us. That thing, I know, and when I small, say people go they drink them. Anytime you see person they drink that thing, your mind go tell say bless this person. Because I don't know what they say that thing.
Any of your daddy friends say, give me slum to that cigar load.
There is no, so let me speak like a doctor. There is no study to show us. Say if you drink this thing and you smoke, it go help you cleanse. People they collect lung cancer, they collect problem with their kidney and their body, and yet they don't drink all the whole drinkables.
That is true.
Or the whole drinkables.
That is true.
Yeah.
This one say as today, what of soda water and chest and lungs? Because doctor, the be like say be asked the question earlier. He can't repeat her. He say I just want to ask something because I don't say some guys say about these issues and say no nicotine for weed, say na normal. They say they prefer cigarettes, say they prefer Igbo pass cigar, say because you not get nicotine. I beg, wait till you go tell person like this one go say at least Igbo they make you feel irate, cigar they kill your lung.
I know people who don't touch one Igbo and their life do not remain the same forever and ever again. No, not just right? I mean the cannabis. Yeah. And now people go won't let you know say the doc say and that's in good if you take them it they help because study don't show the people who do the study abroad they're not talking now when you put them when you put them for no smoke
because they get weed oil
they no talk so
they get
say
weed incense.
now when you smoke them now you go get the benefits. Do you understand? It means say they don't come out those benefits inside, they don't extract them. Come look and say this one go good for body come out. They no talk say now when you light and fire now you go get benefit. So as long as say they light and fire, they collect
it's
the
not
dangers.
medical marijuana, but that one na tobacco now.
You burn them, so no benefit for you.
Come on, the doctor. You not talk about withdrawal syndrome because to smoke cigar.
Withdrawal symptoms day, What we mean by withdrawal symptom be say you dey smoke before, you won't come stop. As you try to stop, your body go come dey do you somehow. Body go come dey shake. You come dey be like say you dey sick. You dey behave like person wey body dey do one kind. You dey irrational, get anxiety. Sometimes you go dey get headache, dey sweat. Your body go dey shake. All those things na part of withdrawal symptoms wey people dey get, and that is why we believe say if you wan stop to dey smoke cigar, e dey important say make you seek for help. You understand? No just do am on your own, because most people wey dey talk say they wan stop to dey smoke, they no dey succeed. Because after dem stop, they go back.
I know one guy wey be say to stop the cigar, I die cause start dey lick sweet, cause they carry lollipop take dey because say mouth don dey so they don put tooth sha, but wetin man go do?
You understand?
What I want to ask you about this is, please, is it legal for people to be in public and be taking all these cigarettes and snuff, all those? Is it legal that someone will stay near somebody when you're walking on the road and be taking cigar and be dropping that smoke?
Thank you very much.
Then if it's not, if it's illegal, let us know how to handle that situation.
Thank you very much. This question where you ask now, I believe say the bodies and the agencies where they in charge and responsible to make people know. Say even if you want smoke, you get smoking designated areas. No be everywhere you supposed to dey smoke. For here, our job not to tell you the dangers of smoking. And now it is left for those bodies to come let you know say no be every place you supposed to dey smoke. Because me where I know they smoke, if you smoke near me, the smoke where you smoke will enter my body and it also cause me problem. Do you understand? That is why it's important say the bodies involved, as they hear also, make una do. We know if you do their job. Our job not to do job of doctor.
Who did the line again? Doctor, the doctor, they set boundaries.
Yes, so yeah.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah.
Cheers to all, good morning.
Hello there, how you doing?
Good morning.
I see you, my guy.
Okay, my name is Black Cobra.
You say what you
This your name be like Black Arrow.
What you call that?
Black Cobra.
Right now you go they call this one, not me. Nah, they do. Now yellow with the myself.
Black Cobra. Go ahead, Black Cobra.
Blacky Havana.
Okay.
I dey hear you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
This issue when you talk about say especially one stop should as in inquire from somebody.
Yes.
Me, I not believe them. Because why they talk? If I tell you when I started to smoke and when I stop them, nobody tell me to stop. I just wake up one day, ask myself, this thing,
I like them.
if they give me anything, this is why they pay money for. What do I gain from it? And that's how I stop it. When I started smoking in 1987,
1987.
when they have John Player, SM. So I believe that anybody where they hear this program is supposed to know that you get benefit when you stop them. And since when I stop them, before if I dey smoke, I dey get headache. But when I stop them, I know they see headache. I know they even buy paracetamol again for life.
Wow.
Choi. Testimony
time. So you stop at 1987.
No, I stopped them. That was in 2010.
Okay, you start and
stop
at 2010.
Wow.
You believe Black Cobra.
Thank you very
1987 to 2010.
That they do assist now. Now with the that name over and that. So I beg a doctor your final thoughts as well.
Is it possible to stop cigarettes? I beg, make we protect our environment, make we protect the young ones. Even if you want smoke, no, they put them for social media.
Small children they carry cigar.
I make this passionate appeal to every celebrity. Even if you want the smoke, no, they put for your social media. Whoever you be, whatever your status, I beg you, no, they put on for you. They influence the young ones negatively.
Down for yourself.
I beg, like I always talk, good life.
Nah, sense.
Make you follow me for social media.
Yes, so I beg, doctor, where they go follow you?
Dr. Fredosta _MD. Instagram, TikTok. I even did Twitter.
Yes.
Follow me.
It pop for there. And in case you miss any of our segments, just go for Wazobia FM Lagos for Facebook. You go see videos for there, or Wazobia Lagos or Wazobia FM for YouTube. You'll see videos for there, even the Instagram for Wazobia FM Lagos. You go see the videos to take follow up on what the doctor they do. We'll go come back after the break. After that, now Football Republic.
I tell you, Football Republic. After that one, when we'll come back here, okay, other things today for Wazobia.
Doctor, people go buy lollipop tire. Go buy tire. When they come.
Not going anywhere.
You never never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You dey miss wella. Oya, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chookmouth.